Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV was Swoby.
Let me welcome a woman worth her weight in gold, a woman with a heart of gold, mother figure, the Iyalaje Of Oodua.
Je voudrais apprécier madame, apprécier
Toyin Kolade
madame, nous apprécions, madame.
Iyalaje Of Oodua. Marché. Get it back. I'd like to welcome my darling sister, Special Advisor to the Governor on Civic and Civil Engagement, Princess Adebo. You look beautiful as usual. God bless you. One more time, it's my pleasure to welcome you to Culturalti 2021. If you're happy to be here, please give yourselves a round of applause and thank you. I see so many people from my industry. I'll be recognizing them later. But to set the ball rolling, think about it. The people without the culture are people without direction. The people without tradition are people without a past. And the people without culture and tradition. This one will stay well. Gentlemen of the camera, I'm going to beg of you to leave who you are now. If you don't leave, they will only go down. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, it's my pleasure to welcome you all as you come here tonight. God will go everywhere with you. Look at your neighbor and say good evening. Say all the way from France for this event. A round of applause for her. I'll be working with a beautiful young lady who came all the way from Mbarara, Uganda, the land of milk and honey. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Amal. A round of applause for her. Amal can sing. I see in French beauty. Tonight, I become an international citizen because as a true son of Yoruba land and a true son of Africa, my brother, please leave. I'd like to welcome specially Kabiyesi, a man of peace, a man of progress, a man whose reign has brought tremendous blessings to his people. The 51st Ooni of Ife, Kabiyesi, we celebrate all you stand for. We celebrate all you have done for the Yoruba people. Permit me to welcome Alayeluwa, Arole Oodua, Olofin Adimula, Ooni Adeyeye, Enitan Ogunwusi, Olori Kibata Pelese. Ẹ bá mi ṣe Kábíyèsí o. When you want to pay homage to Kabiyesi, is what? Kabiyesi o. Can we practice, please? Help me pay homage to Kabiyesi. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very, very... Darling, you want to say something?
First of all, welcome to the 15th edition of the Culturalti 2021 Awards. And next, we have the first act, which is Chameleon Band. We have the Mayowa Bay, and we have the House of Magic up next to give us some entertainment. So please give them a round of applause. This is the Culturalti 2021 Awards.
Before we move to our first performance, it's indeed right to welcome this woman that has over Iyalaje Of Oodua. Ladies and gentlemen, we got nice in the building. Let's go!
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.